bilang saruagan, kolim skin bilang you. Green bilang makambeli, straight ting 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 bilang you. Sol wara bilang salamoa, ikam wasimyu.
The rice is blossoming now. The flowers. This is 2 months old.
March, April, 2 months, 2.5 months.
2.5 months
2.5. So I need another maybe 1.5 months.
before we
Yeah,
harvest.
I have to see the weather. The weather in lake, it's quite cool. The standard cultivation day is 3.5, 106 days. So the weather here we need to extend half month or to 1 month.
What we have, Mr. Malum, is that's close to 1 hectare already been planted as a first crop, and we have prepared progressively for next week to plant another hectare, and then as you see further down, there's a NARI vehicle there. All that grass has been further down towards the bananas. As far as to the NARI fence, blue fence, the rice will progress that way. It's about 8 hectares here, 8 or 9 hectares here, and the upland rice will be 2 hectares. So close to.
What type of variety is this one we're growing here?
Tai Chong Shen number 10. In short, it's TCS number 10. It's a long grain. Long grain, very ideal variety for upland and the paddy. So this variety we introduced from 1990 up to now, 29 years.
Yeah.
So the performance is still very stable.
Yeah. And apart from that, NARI has released 6 varieties, 4 for the lowlands, NR1, NR9, 15, and NR16, I think, and then 2 for the highlands, for cool climates. So, have we got the NARI varieties in the seedling, Rex, or nursery, or
The next lot will be
NARI variety?
So, Mr. Lee, what do you think about the ability of Papua New Guinea to grow rice?
Yes, you have very beautiful plain and near the river, so you have water, you have a land, and you have good weather. So it's an ideal place to grow rice. Yeah, compared to the land in Taiwan, our land is rich in gravels. So farmer develop the rice field, use generations to pick the stone from the field, then develop this rice farm. Actually about 400 years from the beginning. So PNG have a very big potential to grow rice. So it is a very right time to unite the stakeholders to work together to develop PNG rice.
The Taiwanese have been here for the last 30 years. So
29 years and 6 months.
30 years.
Yeah, here.
So you know enough about growing rice already.
Yeah. From childhood, the rice farm around us. Yeah. From the buffalo, from the
What can you say about those critics who say that Papua New Guinea can't grow rice?
because you have weather, you have a good soil,
With water,
and good water and good rain.
good sunshine.
Yeah. Because this tropical and subtropical zone is ideal for the rice. But here maybe 2 crops a year. Sepik could grow 3 crops a year. We need tropical weather to grow 3 crops. So here 2 crops will be good enough. But the paddy is a better for the rice culture because the year 2 times than upland. Sorry. because the rice not in your culture, not in your gene. So this is a new thing.
Let's move this way, then we'll show you the new land we've prepared. Okay. Then we can go.
So, Mr. Lee, you've been here for a couple of months now. So, what do you think about the potential for rice growing in Papua New Guinea?
First, I think that from last 29 years we work with a farmer. It's very difficult. Farmers, they don't have experience and not the culture. So a lot of things they have to learn. But now the good direction is use a company to run the rice production is the first step. Then gradually farmer could learn and grow rice, get assistance from the company to have more saving. They could develop this private farm in small scale, 2 hectare, 5 hectare, even 10 hectare. Now they don't have very basic equipment. Yesterday we have a demonstration training in anti-dragon. We moved the manual winnover and the pedal thresher to show them, to train them. And we are asking the company in Taiwan, we could import those important parts, the gear, the pedal, we assemble those to show farmer, to give to them. It's better have a company they could manufacture because they don't have this very basic thing. So how to grow rice? That is the issue. The land, you say the leveling,
So it's
plow, yeah,
So
those need machinery.
better to have these large commercial farms
Yes,
first
yeah.
established.
Yeah,
And then
integrate together as a co-op.
they help.
Yeah, farmer group.
And they help the small.
Yes,
growers.
yes. So this will different from the Asian rice grower. They could run individual because from generations they accumulate enough financial and the skill, so they could run independent. But the cost is too high for them.
So Mr. Malum, we have a ferry system with a big dam up there, another dam there, and another dam where the big spring is. And the water is being put through to the paddy fields going through. You've seen the first crop that's been grown. Now we're doing the next crops, and so all these fields have been prepared and water put into, and the seedlings have been prepared, and they will now start to plant. So this is the first hectare, second hectare, and then all these other, the third and fourth and fifth, progressively to be cleared and planted. Every 2 weeks we're planting, every 2 weeks. So this is all be seed produced for the Kumul Agriculture commercial farmer. Yeah. So a similar size of this will be developed in NARI Laloki, similar such 10 hectare farm, again to grow seed for the National Rice Project.
Wow, good.
Yeah.
I'm impressed.
That's the thing there.
The seed from here put a yield 15 tons per year. Enough for 1,000 hectare upland rice field.
Yes.
So the seed from this plant, this farm could support the seed farm in Wawin. So 200 hectare in Wawin could produce enough seeds for 10,000 hectare. So we have to develop the foundation seed here, then produce a certified seeds in Wawin farm.
tim ting ting long you sol wara di long salamoa ikam wa sim you